Well, I'm about to transform the old storage tent into the new Coleman storage tent. So stay tuned. So today, we are going to take the current storage tent, which has been patched up several times after massive wind and snow rips. We're going to keep this tent as kind of a, like keep the bugs out place to hide out and still enjoy the great outdoors once I take the tarp off. And we're replacing it with, to put storage in, the Coleman Tenaya Lake 13-foot by 9-foot tent. So that's what we're doing today. Well, I gave up the ghost on trying to set this new storage tent up yesterday, because right as I was doing it, the wind kicked up. So I come out early this morning, calm wind, go to pull the tent out, start setting it up, wind kicks in. It's a calm moment right now, so that's good. Well, I've got all the basic pulls in. Wind died down for a minute. So hopefully I can get this set up. Let's see what happens here. This should be interesting. Not bad. Looks like I should not have stick it down. Quite rigid. Okay, that part is not easy. What in the actual... Wow, they do not make that easy. Whew. Okay. Well, the basic structure's up. Whew. The basics are set up. So, one of the things that I liked about this tent is this handy hinged door. Like, how cool is that? So anyway, it's 13 feet long by 9 feet wide and has this handy little closet here with a curtain rod, well, not curtain rod, but clothes rod, shoe rack. Plenty of storage. So, I don't want to put the rain fly up yet because the wind's still whipping around intermittently. So I'm going to hold off on that for a while. But I think I am going to bring in the outdoor carpet and put that down. So that's the next step. So I've got the carpet in. This will just kind of help wear and tear on that bottom floor. And stuff on the corners. Keep it down. It'll stretch out. It's been rolled up for, goodness, 9 months. All kinds of hangers. So, here's the beginning of the new storage tent. Sweet! Hopefully the wind will die down and I can get the rain fly set up. Alright folks, here we are. I'm filming this vertically because I just figured out you can see it a lot better. Here's the old storage tent I bought that has lasted 6 months through wind, rain, snow, but was damaged enough to where I had to find a different alternative. But I'm gonna keep it because even if I take the rain fly off, it'll be a nice sunroom, so to speak, to be able to enjoy the outdoors and get away from bugs if bugs get bad. So, anyway, it is damaged. And I invested in another tent from Coleman that will be badass. So, let's do a little tour now that I've gotten things transferred. Look how much room is in this thing. By the way, if I haven't mentioned it, I love the ability to open up a door. A hinged door. I've never had a tent that has a hinged door. So, here we are looking inside. There's that closet I was mentioning with all the hangers. Now I've got a few pair of work cowboy boots and some shoes there. Equipment here that I know I'll need readily available. And then look at all this space between where I actually have stuff stored. There's so much space. It's actually a little bit ridiculous. Like, why do I still have a storage unit in the city? That's over now. Next time I go to the city, I'm getting the rest of my stuff out and I'm putting it in here. Because I know at a minimum, this should last 6 months. So I'll save so much money, it'll be ridiculous. Anyway, I'm super happy with the Coleman Tenaya Lake fast pitch. It's rated for 35-mile-per-hour winds and rainproof, so it says. I do tend to trust Coleman products, so man, if this thing lasts me 6 months, I'm good. I'm good. I am golden. Love it. And like I said, it's got so much storage space. It's ridiculous. I am really excited. The storage is moved over now. So you just saw the footage, and boy, I gotta tell you, the original storage tent I bought was good. I would recommend it actually for weekend campers, like even a large family. You could camp in that. I was using it for storage, and
It withstood 6 months of wind, rain, snow, which is ultimately was its demise. And it did really well. I would definitely recommend that tent. But I invested in a new Coleman that is wind rated, waterproof, and if it lasts me 6 months, I'm good. I'd be very happy with that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and talk to you soon.